Hi everyone, I'm Marie from Southern Country Living, and today I'm doing a video that will be a really good cake for this hot weather that we're having now, and it's called Heaven on Earth, but I think this would even be good in the winter too. So let me get started on this really easy cake, and I think when I get finished that me and Kevin's really going to enjoy this. So the first thing I'm going to do, set my cake over a little bit and take some of my pieces that I've already got cut just a little bit. I think I'm going to cut them into fours. Just throw them in there. You could even just break them off, I guess, if you wanted to. This is an angel food cake, and you can make your own angel food cake, but what makes this easy is I just bought mine from Walmart. Okay. Okay, I'm going to wipe my hands off just a little bit. Now then, I'm going to put some cherries on my cake cubes. If you wanted to make this cake bigger, you could, but it's just me and Calvin, so. Okay. Now then, I'll move this over just a little bit, bring my board back. Cut up some for the top. Now then, I'm going to mix up my pudding mixture. I'm going to put in all my pudding. This is 3 ounces of vanilla pudding and pie filling. Okay. And this is 1 1/2 cups milk. Now I'm going to put half of this sour cream in here. I'm just going to eyeball it. I'm going to beat this up. Okay, so now then I'm going to add my pudding mixture on top.
That sure is starting to look good, Marie. I like all those layers.
Yeah. I think this is gonna be a cool little dessert for this hot weather we have down here in Georgia. Okay, forgot to take my spatula out. Okay. Okay. The next thing I'm going to do is put in some whipped topping on top. I really love these easy desserts. I love the hard ones too. That's the big problem I have. I love dessert. This will be a light dessert. Now then, I'm going to spread my Cool Whip on top. Whip topping, whatever you want to call it. Sometimes when we film, it's really quiet, and then other times it is so noisy. I can't do anything about the outside noise.
If they heard that just now, that was a small airplane that flew over. We have a lot of experimental aircraft that fly out in the neighborhood.
Okay. Now then I'm going to put some cherries on top and little dollops. Now then I'm going to swirl this around. Okay, I have my cake done now, and so I'm going to put it in the refrigerator for about 4 hours and let it cool, and then we'll see if this is really heaven on earth cake. So be back later. See y'all. Alright, I'm back, and my heaven on earth cake has been refrigerated for about 2 hours, and I'm going ahead and do the taste test, but the cake is best at 4 hours in the refrigerator. So that's what it looks like. So, okay, let me get a piece of this cake. Alright, now if it set a little bit longer, it'd even come out better. Okay, taste them. Let me do the taste test. That is really good. I can see why it's heaven on earth cake.
Marie, that looks great. You're gonna have to cut me a piece too, because I'm gonna have to have a piece of that now. That is a good looking cake.
It's very easy too. And it'll be a very nice and refreshing dessert to have during this hot weather that we have down here in Georgia. Okay, I hope that you enjoyed our video today, and if you make this easy cake, I'm sure you will enjoy it.
It'll be your little slice of heaven on earth.
Right. So everyone, hope you have a great weekend. And so do what you love and love what you do, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.
Gonna stay in this moment, gonna lay here on the grass. I don't need to feel lonely, I am finally home at last. And I don't mind being gone on adventures for a while. No, no, 'cause the best thing about it is I know I'm coming back. Oh, oh. Of all the magic places in the world,